ना, या इसमें अगर ओवैसी साहब ये कहते हैं कि भाई हमें पता ही नहीं कि हिमाचल की सरकार कौन चला रहा है, इज दिस द कांग्रेस गवर्नमेंट और द बीजेपी, हाउ फेयर इज दैट? व्हाई इज ओवैसी गेटिंग इनटू समथिंग व्हिच इज जस्ट अबाउट लीगल वर्सेस इलीगल?
मैडम, मैं एक चीज कहना चाहूंगा कि ये प्राइवेट प्रॉपर्टी नहीं है, ये अल्लाह का घर है। हुकूमत को भी चाहिए अगर इस तरीके से अगर इलीगल कंस्ट्रक्शन हुआ है तो उसको लीगल कर दे। आप ये ना करें कि है तो पूरी पब्लिक वहां पे जमा होके एक इबादत गाह है मैडम, वो कोई प्राइवेट प्रॉपर्टी या किसी का घर बनावा नहीं है।
अगर राशिद जी आप कह रहे हैं कि अगर कुछ इलीगल है तो उसको लीगल कर दिया जाए, ये कह रहे हैं आप?
बिल्कुल लीगल कर दिया जाए। इबादत गाह है, वो मुसलमानों का एक इबादत गाह है, वहां पे तकरीबन हिंदुस्तान के मुसलमानों को वो चीज से अटैचमेंट है।
देखिए राशिद जी यही अगर और किसी धर्म स्थल की बात होती, सपोज एक मंदिर होता, कुछ भी और होता, कुछ भी इलीगल है तो इलीगल है ना सर। अगर किसी आम आदमी का घर होता, ये थोड़ा ना देखा जाएगा कि उसका धर्म क्या है। अगर गलत है, इलीगल है, इंक्रोचमेंट है या किसी की परमिशन नहीं है, तब तो कानून अपना काम करेगा ना सर।
मैं आपको ये बात बताना चाह रहा हूँ कि राम मंदिर बना, आज तक हम नहीं पूछे कि तुम्हारे पास परमिशन है या नहीं है।
अरे अब आप कहाँ ले जा रहे हैं राशिद जी, आप कहाँ से कहाँ बात को ले जा रहे हैं? इसमें राम मंदिर का क्या लेना देना आ गया?
कोई मुसलमान इस तरीके की बात करा कि राम मंदिर।
आप देखिए कितने सालों से, आप ये भी जानते हैं कि कितने सालों से ये पूरा मामला कोर्ट में लंबित है। मुझे लगता है संजय जी कुछ कहना चाहते हैं। संजय जी, हाउ वुड यू रिस्पॉन्ड टू व्हाट यू आर हियरिंग सो फार?
Mr. Rashid is taking all the issue on the wrong side. This is not in between the Ram Mandir and Ram Mandir. This Ayodhya Trust has won the case from the Supreme Court. That is not the illegal structure. The illegal was made by the Babar. You forget it.
Okay, Sanjay ji, come back. Please come back to Shimla and please tell me what is this issue all about? Because we've seen a lot of BJP people also coming out today and saying that this is illegal. Now you have the Congress itself that cannot decide whether this is legal or illegal.
We have nothing to say much more because Minister has made his statement on the floor of the House. And Chief Minister has not responded in the House. He has responded today.
Yes.
Not tomorrow. He has responded today outside of the House. He should make his statement in the floor of the House. So it is not, because that place was not a worship place. One person came from outside. He started his tailoring business.
Okay.
And a counter.
Okay.
In a small counter there. The land doesn't belong to Waqf Board. Waqf Board has occupied that land, but the land belongs to the government of Himachal Pradesh. That is not a place of worship.
So has the Congress sir covered this up? What are you alleging? What are you alleging here? Nicole, I will come to you. But Sanjay ji, tell me something. There is also a bit where Anirudh Singh, who's the Himachal Pradesh minister, has said that, you know, there has been an oversight in the entire case. So who's responsible?
Definitely the MC is a execution agency. MC has to take the cognizance of the complaints. But I think the officers, those have not taken the action, should be held responsible for this act.
Okay.
Because that is what the question raised by the minister. That is also a concern of the every citizen of Himachal Pradesh. Because it's happening. The people are coming outside from Himachal Pradesh. They are changing their name. They are not disclosing their identity.
Sanjay ji, you're again making a big charge. What are you alluding towards? Are you saying that there is a change in demography? Are you alleging change in demography in Himachal Pradesh?
Yes. And this is happening under a planning.
Who's behind
so
this?
We don't want to disturb the peace of Himachal Pradesh. We want that this state belongs to a peaceful people.
Sir, who's behind this?
Government should inquire. Who is sitting in the chair, he should inquire. What is the matter? If minister is making statement that only 190 person are registered.
Okay.
Are identified. Only 190.